Do you know something, Kellen? I love fishing, especially after I've been working hard at the mill all day long. I tell you something though, it's dead cold fishing this time of year. Yes! Hey, Pete, look at this! Hey, that's bigger than you've ever caught, lad, isn't it?
What? You calling this a good catch? Puny Richard. I can do better than this. Oh, it's a good one. And that is a really good catch, Puny Richard.
The thing about fishing in winter with your best mate is that sometimes they get dead lonely. You're right, Bill. You're right. Yeah, we'll go for a pint, mate. Come on. Come on, let's go for a pint. I know, mate, I know. She don't mean it.
What I love about this, Helen, is that it's not just a fishing game. You can learn things about fish, you know, like from all around the world, which is brilliant, really, because, you know, my education wasn't brilliant, to be fair. I was downpipe most of the time. I like it because it's simple, because you just press that button there, and it don't take long. Bang, you're in like that. And look. Oh, brilliant. It's a red grouper. I love red groupers, me. I think they're dead tasty as well. You could play in leaderboards all around the world, Helen. You can do that. It's really good. It's dead clever. You can keep on playing at a steady pace. I think you can get other things that can help you a long way, but you don't have to pay anything if you don't want to. Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, I've got a great catch that's black and white. It's like an oldie worldy one from old school.
You can just play casual like me, or you can do like Pete does and go and play in a clan, which means you can hang out with your mates and go fishing no matter what the weather is. That's brilliant, that is. So use our code MOULINROCHE and claim your free gifts right here.
That's an old Pete. What do you reckon? Are you having fun with this game?
Yes, mate. There is plenty of snow. Everything is frozen. No more fishing at the river for me. But the game, the fishing clash, I love it.
Use my special code, which is MOULINROCHE, or even better, use the QR code on screen now. Go on, give it a go. You can't hurt Bill. He'll be all right with it. So what do you reckon, Bill? Are we going to go play fishing clash tonight, or you got something else you want to do? What's that? You want to kiss to break the tension? Okay. What do you mean you don't like swimming? That's a bit weird, isn't it? Fishing clash! Clash of the fishes!
Good morning, everybody. How are you doing? I'm regretting my decision to wear shorts today. Potentially, if the sun comes out a little bit later, then I won't be regretting it, but it is chilly. I got defeated by time yesterday. Just ran out of time to go and get some sand before the builder's merchant shut. Anyway, I've got a bit here, and as you can see, the water main is mostly installed, and just a bit more sand up on there. That's going to be coming up to there. And then I'm going to be getting loads and loads and loads of soil, putting it in there for Helen's super secret patio that, yeah, she won't know about. She will know about it by the time that you guys have watched this, hopefully, if it all goes to plan. So, yeah, I'm hoping it's going to be a nice surprise for her. Anyway, I'm going to get on because it's cold and my knees are cold. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Can you come and give us a hand for a second? Cheers, mate. A lot easier with two. Just hold it there for me, please, mate.
I know, but
yeah.
I know.
Yeah, just here. That it's somewhere in there. So it is tricky. How close are we?
Yeah.
Oh, we're pretty close then. Ah. God. Oh. Thanks, pal. I was really struggling with that. I was like, oh, I can't do it on my own.
It's something you do in the summer. But
Yeah, when it's hot.
yes.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah. Thanks, pal. Thank you, thank you. Hey. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. It's getting there. It's getting there. This is the secondary. This is the feed for the house. I'm just going to like loop it into there so I can backfill everything, and then I've got my two connections. Da, da. Dee 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 dee. Come on, stay there. Go.
A quick call is fine.
Who's that?
Farouk.
Ah, cool.
Yes.
So
To make sure he understood the drawings.
Yeah.
Okay, so wish me luck
Bon courage.
for the next one.
La, 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 la. Wow, there's a lot of leaves in there already. Goodness me. Oof. Right, it leaks out of here. We know that, but we need to still potentially take this off and put it back on again. So I am going to not glue all this up here, and then we can take it off potentially. But there we go. That's the first one in. I managed to get a fairly decent cut around there, so just pop the downpipe in slightly. So yeah, it all seems to be working pretty well. 3 more to go. Well, it's Friday. I'm over the moon. We've got the scaffolding up and we are getting there. We calculate 3 more days, and it's all done, everything. Yeah, like every single outside bit. We just need good weather, 3 good days of weather. Well, everything behind me will all be covered up. We just need that one glorious day where we can screw everything in and then put our little kind of finishing bead of silicone everywhere. And then we go inside and we start building walls and things like that. And that's going to be something. That's going to be something brilliant, because that means that light at the end of the tunnel has just got a whole lot bigger. Anyway, I'm tired. It's time to go home. I hope you enjoyed this one, and yeah, let us know if you did. And we'll see you in the next one. Like and subscribe, and throw in a hype if you could. Anyway, beer time. See you later.